Welcome to Casual Cooking's channel. Go to a convenient transportation restaurant today. On the ground floor of the Sunshine Hotel. Signature dish is Zhongshan crispy grass carp. The environment is spacious and comfortable. The package is calculated per 500 grams. There are different kinds of dishes. There are many hot pot ingredients. Water and white rice are used as soup base, the first attempt. There is a small amount of free fruit provided. More than 10 sauces are provided. Customers can adjust by themselves. Stir-fried fish fillet and belly with lotus root tip. I like eating lotus root very much. I don't know how the standard is here. The lotus root tip is better in Huizhou. Wow! Grass carp is very crispy and has a strong fish flavor. The chef's knife skills are very good, and there are no broken bones. Brown sugar steamed buns are given away for free. This is a typhoon shelter fish fillet. Special price $18. But you need to buy coupons in Dianping. Try fish fillet first. Very attractive appearance. Attention everyone, there are fish bones inside. The skin is very crisp. Slightly spicy. Great as a side dish. Try brown sugar buns. Slightly sweet, taste not special. This is fried fish offal with ginger and scallions. Wow! So crisp. Ginger and spring onion taste very strong, do better than other restaurants. Try fish more. Wow! Very good. I will definitely visit again. The rice almost cooked. The waiter picks up the rice. Then add the hot pot ingredients. After add all the ingredients, rice will be added to the soup again to make porridge. If there is too much rice in the soup, it will easily stick to the pan. After the taste of the ingredients is integrated into the soup base and then cooked into porridge, the effect must be very good. Add fish bones and cook for 8 minutes. Add fish balls and cook for 5 minutes. The service attitude of the waiter is very friendly. It is enough to cook the grass carp fillets in boiling water for 20 seconds. The chef sliced it very thin. Stir it so it heats evenly. Try the original first. Wow! Very crunchy and fishy. Because there is no salt in the soup, it is recommended to eat with soy sauce. Try the soup with or without salt. No salt added. It is recommended to eat the ingredients with soy sauce. Dip it in soy sauce this time and see how it works. Wow! After dipping in soy sauce, the taste level immediately improves a lot. Sweet and crisp. The soy sauce is adjusted with heart, not too salty. After 5 minutes, the fish balls are cooked. Try it. Try the original first. Salty enough. But I want to try the effect of dipping in soy sauce. It tastes better with soy sauce. 8 minutes later, the fish bones are cooked too. Try the original first. It is recommended to eat with soy sauce. Because it is cut thicker, it is more crispy than fish fillets. I think it tastes better than fish fillet. This is Russian oyster, very famous. How about the standard? Try the original first. Very rich oyster flavor. Wow! Delicious. Hot pot ingredients are finished. The clerk adds rice to the soup and cooks it into porridge. This is dried squid. Dried pak choy. And try some. Stir occasionally to avoid sticking. Wow! Already smell the fragrance. Looking forward. After 5 minutes, try some. Stir well and turn off the heat. This is the highlight of the day. Add a pinch of salt. Pinch pepper. The taste of the ingredients is combined, very delicious. All in all, the standard of this restaurant is quite high. I will definitely come back. Grass carp fillet, fried lotus root fish fillet, fried fish offal with ginger and spring onion, and fish porridge are all must-eat options. This is the end of the video. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please subscribe and press notification bell. Never miss a video update. Thanks for watching.